Dear students, welcome to the English class. Today I shall conduct the revision of the poem The Wind and the Moon. This particular poem is there for your unit test 2. I have already explained this particular poem in our earlier sessions. I hope you have watched the video. If not, please do watch the video so that you will get the detailed explanation of this poem. There is also one more video wherein the notes have been given. Notes for this particular poem. Now I shall just conduct a revision of this poem. The stanzas are given and questions based on the stanzas will be asked. So you have to answer those questions. The first stanza. Said the wind and the moon, I will blow you out. You stare in the air like a ghost in a chair, always looking what I'm about. I have to be watched, I'll blow you out. Now based on the stanza, the questions are, what is the title of this poem? Who is the writer of this poem? What does the wind wish to do with the moon? Why does the wind want to blow the moon out of the sky? You may write down these answers in your notebook. If you do not know the answers, please do watch that video, notes of the poem The Wind and the Moon, wherein all the question answers have been given. So you may write down the answers for these questions in your notebook. It will be a good practice for you. Once you have done that, you may check your answers. The title of this poem is The Wind and the Moon. The writer of this poem is George MacDonald. Third answer, the wind wishes to blow the moon out of the sky. Fourth answer, the wind feels the moon is always staring at him and he hates to be stared at. Next stanza, the wind he took to his revels once more. On down in town, like a merry mad clown, he leaped and hallooed with whistle and roar. What's that? The glimmering thread once more. Now questions based on this stanza. First question, why is the wind celebrating like a clown? Second question, leaped means, you have to give the meaning, the synonym of leaped. Again, you may write the answers of these questions in your notebook. The answers are given here. Answer 1. The wind is celebrating like a clown because he thinks he has blown the moon out of the sky. The word leaped means jumped. Next stanza. He flew in a rage, he danced and blew, but in vain was the pain of his bursting brain. For still the broader the moon's crab grew, the broader he swelled his big cheeks and blew. Questions based on this stanza. Flew in a rage means. Second question. Give one word from the stanza which means grew larger in size. Write down the answers to these questions in your notebook. And then the answers. First answer. Flew in a rage means got very angry. And the second answer is swelled. One word for grew larger in size is swelled. Next stanza. Slowly she grew till she filled the night and shone on a throne in the sky alone. A matchless, wonderful, silvery light, radiant and lovely, the queen of the night. Questions based on this stanza. Radiant means. Second question. Who is referred to as queen of the night? Write the answers for these questions in your notebook. And the answers are, first answer, radiant means bright. Second answer, the moon is referred to as queen of the night. So students, I have discussed the question answers based on the various stanzas. You may revise this poem, go through the notes, the meanings, the question answers which have been given in the notes for this poem, the video entitled Notes of the Wind and the Moon, and then you may solve this particular poem comprehension. So that's all the revision of this particular poem. Thank you for participating. Take care and God bless you.